Yep. Let's go. Adam's version. Come on. Let's get it. Yeah. You wake up from a nice dream, thinking about your future. I hope you can eat your ice cream with a spoon or whatever suits ya. And if your ship is sinking, you know what to do. Apply your skills and thinking till Jack there's room for two. Butterflies take some time, started crawling on a leaf. They transform over time from a rookie to a chief. Positive emotion attractors will power your relief. Killer constraints can act as a thief. What you gonna do? Friends, no four of a kind, they got your back. Look at the stars, network design, keep it on track. And if you're deliberate with your practice and inject some grit, no coaster can distract us. You got this. Shh. Hey, it's a level up, not reflection. What's the source of your power to set your direction? Don't forget my lessons, just make me a promise. Act like Taylor, be honest. If it's not soft serve, we don't want it. Thanks for a great term, guys. I wish you all the best. I'll be keeping up with you on LinkedIn. See where your next adventure takes you. Let me know if I can help you in any way. See you down the road. Peace.